Welcome to CNC Machine Tool Training application on the zSpace platform. The Computer Numerical Control or CNC Machine Tool Training application includes 3 modules: Mechanical, Lathe, and Milling Machine. The Mechanical module covers mechanical knowledge of connections, mechanisms, mechanical transmission, supporting parts, sealing, and more. It supports vocabulary, component definitions, and practical workings. The Lathe and Milling Machine modules each include 4 key areas: machine tool structure, practical training operations, troubleshooting or fault maintenance, and disassembly and installation. The CNC Machine Tool Training application educates students on CNC principles, setup, and operation. CNC machining is a manufacturing process where pre-programmed computer software controls the movement of factory tools and machinery. This process can manage a range of complex machinery, including grinders, lathes, mills, and CNC routers. By creating an immersive learning experience, the CNC Machine Tool Training application helps better prepare students for industry certifications and entry into the workforce. For more information, please visit zSpace.com.